So we just lost the quad, like somewhere on this hill. Hopefully we'll have the GoPro footage if we find it. But we've got to go search for all these fields. Not really looking forward to it. There's like a farmer with a dog up there as well, so that's probably why you shouldn't fly on other people's land. Oh fuck. So we can hear it, we can hear the beeps. Woo! Hey, so Louis from the future here. I just wanted to plug this little guy, which is a buzzer, the Vifly 2 that I have. I'll link it in the description if you want to check it out. What it is if your battery gets disconnected, or if you flip the buzzer mode on, it starts beeping really loud, so you can locate it. Here I'd forgotten to put my DVR on that flight, so I didn't know where it was, and we ended up searching for like quite a while to find it actually, but we heard the beeping, we went and found it, bam, got it. Yeah, it's cheap, it's just like insurance. I'll check it on the scales here. And yeah, it weighs 4.7 grams, so virtually nothing. And if you're doing these mid-range flights, just a great buy. Anyway, yeah, link in the description. Check it out. Yeah, so I was going to say boo. So I got the quad pretty much all intact. I think it landed on the GoPro. Luckily, the GoPro mount was made by B-Boy, and it's shock resistant. XT60 lead ripped out, but I'm kind of glad it did, because I didn't want it to run dead or fry itself. So yeah, back to the field.